Browning Ferris Incorporated's new Ford Heights used tire processing facility. This plant converts 7.5 million tires per year into products ranging from crumb rubber to electricity. In the foreground is the waste tire processing facility. And in the background is the new 23 megawatt electric power generating plant under construction. Tires to be processed arrive by truck and are automatically unloaded into a holding bin utilizing this truck unloading device. This is a Columbia tipper as manufactured in Redmond, Oregon. This then is the truck tipper holding bin, which can and does hold multiple entire truckloads of tires. This is a Caterpillar 950 front end loader. It is equipped with a 7.5 yard bucket and is used to move the tires into a feeding bin. This front end loader is equipped with L5 tires, which enable the unit to easily move over tires laying on the floor and are virtually puncture proof. This is a close-up view of the Industri-Tech push floor feeder. Each push section is separately hydraulically moved forward so as to create a feeding control flow of tires as required by the shredder that follows this system. The Industri-Tech push floor feeder is used, therefore, to meter the tires automatically onto the elevating conveyor which follows this feeder. This facility also collects, sorts, and grades scrap tires. Here you see the sorting process. Those tires that are deemed as not recyclable are then loaded onto an overhead Norco tire chain conveyor system. The hand operation and selection is operated by Gecko. The overhead chain conveyor system then conveys the tires over, and they are hand unloaded onto the elevating main feed conveyor.
That's fine. That's better. You know, because that'll make it a little bit smaller.
Now then, this is a view of the push floor bin feeder, shown to the right, which rations out the tires onto the 80-inch wide Williams steel pan feed conveyor. This conveyor elevates the tires past a sorting position, shown here, where inspection takes place to remove any tramp metals and materials such as wheel rims, etc. It also allows the personnel to unload the sorted tires received via the Norco tire chain conveyor. After sorting and inspection, the tires are then continually conveyed upwards and will drop vertically into the Williams shredding system. This is the Williams patented 800 horsepower rip shear.
Show me the drive system.
What makes this system unique is the interchangeable dual shafts, which are individually driven by separate motors and shaft-mounted gear reducers mounted at the end of each of the shafts.
And the other drive system.
We are now looking down into the throat of the Williams 800 horsepower rip shear. Water sprays are provided so as to contain dust particles and to improve cutting efficiency while reducing any buildup of temperature within the dual shredding rotors. Should an uncrushable be introduced into the system, the dual rotors would jam. If so, this jam is detected by the Williams supply computer, and the system automatically reverses to clear the jam, and then reverses to the forward position. This reversal, or jam, seldom, if ever, happens. Located directly under the shredding rotors is located the Williams patented sizing screen. This screen controls the product size exiting the shredder, but must oscillate so as to prevent screen blinding in the dead areas. Without movement, the screen will blind and lock the rotors. Directly below the Williams rip shear is a fines removal mill power vibrating finger screen. The power plant has requested that 1-inch rubber fines be removed to improve the boiler efficiency. This then is the shredded rubber product that is sized and has the fines removed. This product will go eventually directly to the power plant.
Another one. Okay, thank you.
The -1-inch particles that fall through the screen land on the conveyor directly shown below. Approximately 35 tons per day of -1-inch product will be diverted to a new crumb rubber plant located adjacent to this building. This crumb rubber is used in tennis shoes and gasket material. Therefore, essentially, 100% of all the tire is used to create other products. Now, after shredding and screening, the boiler fuel is conveyed out of the preparation building for storage. Since a power plant operates around the clock, 24 hours a day, storage of fuel is a requirement. And this storage takes place by elevating the shredded product up conveyors and dropping the rubber into distribution trucks. The goal of this plant is to always have 1 year's supply of fuel ready at all times.
Screaming.
Tell me what I'm looking at here.
Oh, we're looking at their current profile on the four motors.
And the thing to the right, that's a graph of it?
Yeah, this is a graph display, and then I get a digital display here also. The modification to that hydraulic circuit so that we can control the output a little more.
How many tons would you think you're running per hour here?
I'd say on the average right now we're doing about 35.
And the tires that I see in the background that are coming in, those are coming from a sorting area?
Those on the hooks are coming from our grade-off operation, and those are tires that are not suitable, and they'll just be removed and sent through. He's complaining because the hooks won't go fat. We can't run the hooks full speed because I got to run them the same speed my conveyor's going. See, otherwise I got a problem.
Go right down under the conveyor. They can go as fast as they wanted to then.
Have a what now?
Like a stand right up there on the top. They can be taking the tires, just let them roll right down under the conveyor. If there was like a back wall there, a stop, they could just be running them tires down as fast as they could. They wouldn't be down there, they wouldn't be getting hurt, they wouldn't fall on the conveyor.
Stand where?
Up on top there. And then they can just let the tires go right down onto the conveyor. If you had a backstop there, they can just let them roll down that little thing. And they wouldn't even be in the way whenever
The amps will just stay there.
now, is there more strain, total strain when the push floor is overloaded too?
Well, no, without them teeth on there and it can't get rid of the rubber, then it starts working.
The box moving back and forth or no?
Yeah, but that's part of the reason why the current stays high, because it's acting like a brake. It's making it work harder. And we're running a lot more trucks and bales. It's not good.
More nice. They just put that pedal right in the middle of the room.
Look at over, it's on fork.
I might move it accidentally. I know how they bent the stuff on the machine.